Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make new hands from these hands without drawing. We start with a simple hand. First, we will create a forearm with a palm and fingers. Now duplicate the hand, Ctrl D. Crop the top part of the hand. Duplicate again and cut, but this time the lower part of the hand. Now comes the difficult part. You have to join the two parts of the hand into one. It will take a little more time. The connection does not have to be completely accurate, it is not very visible when zoomed out. Duplicate again and cut the last missing part. And the forearm is done. Now let's create the arms with just a simple crop and turn. Lastly, we will create a group of forearm pieces and adjust the layers. And we are done here. You can see the difference. You will create the other hand in the same way. Here you will see the placement of the new hand in the layers. The shoulder is in the same place as the old hand and the forearm is in front of the body. Here you can see why we needed to have two-part hands. If our character was holding something in his hand and it was a larger object that also covered his body, the object was hidden behind it due to the layers. In this part you will see the workflow of creating a super simple and short animation, without comment. If you are interested in a detailed tutorial on this method of animation, see my older video called Canva Animation Tutorial: How to Animate Character Movement.